Alright, so right now I'm going to be demonstrating how to turn orange peel into a knockdown, which a lot of people prefer, which would look like this. This is one of the afterthought ways of doing it. You can do it multiple ways. You can do it the correct way would be to knock it down before the mud dries, but if somebody doesn't, in that case, you can fix the sealing by using caulking and make the orange peel into a knockdown. And this is a tougher knockdown also, along with gives it a more stylish look. So you'll just take a sheetrock knife, put the caulking on there, and pull it. You want to pull it different ways, and use your knife in different ways. Alright, let's see here. Some places you want to put a little bit more, and some places, you don't. So, alright, and you don't want it to look like a pattern though, of any sort. Alright, so, boom. And there's your orange peel to knockdown. Cheapest way to do it. And gives it a better look than the orange peel, which, is plain Jane. And then you have the knockdown version, which a lot of people prefer. Thank you. I'll be making more videos. You can come see us at topshelf.com, Top Shelf Trim at Facebook, and give us a like.